Alright guys, fixed the Ford. It's all fixed. New head gasket. We fixed the head with parts off of that engine right there. Still parts of the head and all that good stuff. And I put fuel in it. I got battery connected. It's got spark. I don't have my big tip on it. I took it off to get that on because it's a pain. It's really tight in there. First start. This is the first start. Oh, we got ignition. Let's turn the choke on. Okay, let's see it. Wow, it started. Oh, it ran. Let's try this again. Okay. Maybe no choke. So that's without choke. This is with choke. Uh-oh. If it's getting. I wonder if I put enough fuel in there or not. Push. I don't think so. Let's put a little more in it. Sorry, my camera guy ain't here today. He's up doing a little thing somewhere up in yonder. So we have to deal with this cruddy foam camera. All right, it's got gas for sure now. Turn the choke on. Ignition. No. Let's bring it down to no choke. Okay, now it's not starting. What the heck? Alright, well, it ran, so we'll call that a win. Figure out what's wrong now, but oh well. See you guys later. Subscribe. And I'll do another video on this once I get it running. See you guys later. Bye.